Hi and welcome, our doll BFFs.
Welcome to our channel, Renee and Sophia. If this is your first time here, we do doll stuff. And we are coming today with a doll that I've been waiting for. We have a previous video, and I'll try to put that link down below, where we got some of the doll dream besties. I was like,
Yes.
BFFs, doll dream besties. And I could only get 3. I couldn't get Renee, but we got Renee. So I'm super excited because I got her, put her in my cart. I thought I better check out because I'll forget about it and they'll sell out. And I checked out and they were sold out later on. And I know some of you were trying to get them and couldn't, but I think they're starting to kind of come in now. And it would probably be better if I could actually see them in the store. We were talking about contemplating, sorry, we both have a little cough, contemplating a trip to like Target, but it takes like an hour and 15 minutes. So, 2.5 hours of driving time. We were like, I do like to see them in person though, see their screening and things, but we'll see how she looks. We're really excited about her. And we did look on, I have been looking on YouTube Kids because it says to, watch on YouTube Kids. So there will be a little show coming out with this.
Yay.
And so we're looking forward to watching that.
Yeah.
We've been watching a lot of we watched Rise of Red. Loved that.
Yes.
A lot of good songs and dances. And we've been watching Unicorn Academy. So just some things that are also doll related, but that have shows. And we really like Unicorn Academy. Real beautiful animation on that. So, and my daughter looked up, we were watching Unicorn Academy, and my daughter said the animation just looked familiar. And so she started to, like, is it Princess Sophia? Like, it just, that pretty animation. And she looked it up. And actually, the people that are producing or creating Unicorn Academy also did all those Barbie movies that we loved from the past. Diamond Castle and 12 Dancing, the 12 Dancing Princesses, and all of those. So if you haven't seen Unicorn Academy, we think it's kind of fun, and we have been kind of binge watching that in the afternoons, haven't we? Okay, so Renee, let's take a look at her packaging. A really cute picture of her little wink here on the front. Love that. And we see that the rest of the box looks kind of similar to the others. It's got windows where you can see some of her accessories that we'll take a better look at. And then you see all of the girls on the back. And now we have all the friends together. Yay! And one of my favorite parts, and we took our scissors and we cut out this little picture right here. And then we cut out this right down here that has kind of their bio, so we can kind of remember some things about them. And I don't know, we thought we could use this for something, some kind of craft to make for the dolls later on. But on the back it says, "Hi, I'm Renee. I love vlogging about my 2 favorite things, skateboarding and trying new foods." Not skateboarding, but the foods part I might be interested in. What's her dream?
Host a food and travel show.
And her favorite activities, as we said, skateboarding, basketball, and painting. And you were doing some art this morning, weren't you?
Yeah.
And her favorite class,
art.
Do you like art class at school?
Love art class.
You guys make some really pretty things in art class.
Yeah.
When they have their art show, very pretty. Her favorite color is purple, which we kind of guess right there, huh? And what's her favorite thing?
Her laptop.
She wouldn't want to be without that, would she? So she's just her face is adorable, I can tell already. So let's get her out of the box so we can all see and have a closer look. Yay. Okay, we have everything unboxed. I have to say, the unboxing, they've been using a lot of these in the plastic too, like the little tabs. So she kind of popped out pretty easy. I mean, she still has a couple of the stays in her hair, but not quite so tight that I felt like I was going to cut the back of her hair off. But the hardest part to get out is I thought was the little accessories.
Yeah.
Because they have them so tight in that plastic that you can't even, some of them you can't even hardly pop out.
Yeah.
So I spent longer getting out her little, which now I don't know. I spent longer getting out her little cup that was in her hand than getting her out. So, but we're going to start out with the accessories.
So I'm going to start off with the laptop. She's got a cute egg and toast background with a password and user. And you can it kind of looks like she put in the code. And then the keyboard, and it does snap close. I wish they would add a little bit of like extra color on things. Like, can you like maybe done some pink stuff? Like she added stickers or something. Like something.
Yeah, I mean, I like, because back in my day, we always, and you know, so if you're one of the watchers that's closer to my age, we always had stickers. So we always had, and we still have the stickers. But then after a while, they come off. I mean, I like that it's molded on, because it'll be there forever. But like you said, if it was just adding a little bit of painted detail, I think adds a lot to the quality.
Yeah. And then we were like, who really wants a toast bag with eggs?
But that's what her background was too on her computer.
True, it's kind of cute.
And it says she likes to try food.
So it does open. So.
Yeah, which is cute. I like it that it says Barbie on one side though. So now I'm kind of liking it.
I know. And then she's got a cheese chips. And ours did come cracked, but you can't notice it very well. Like you can't even notice it.
Yeah, it had a little
crack
slit in it. Yeah.
But you can't really notice it on camera, which is good. And then we got her phone, and it also has enter password, and it has a little pretzel, which I think is so cute.
Oh, so yeah, Nanny can't see. I thought it was a heart. Oh, okay.
And then
everything has food on it. Make me hungry.
We got a cute little popsicle.
That's cute for her phone case.
And then this one does pop in, except the actual Malibu Barbies. So it pops in. Then she's got pizza with pepperoni heart.
Oh, that's cute.
It kind of looks like animated.
I think all pizza should have heart pepperoni.
I know, that'd be so cute. It has Barbie on the back.
Oh, sure does.
They're telling us that this is Barbie.
Well, yeah.
This is Barbie is where it came from. Then we got pretzel. It would be cuter if they had maybe like some salt, at least that you can feel salt, because it's just a plain pretzel.
Okay. Well,
I like salty pretzels.
Okay. And that's her accessories, except for her little drink container that was actually in her hand, not in the little accessory packages. And like I said, that took me forever to get that out. So just a little purple with a white top. And then here's Renee. Yay. And I think that she is
adorbs.
Adorbs are pretty cute. Okay, so let's take a closer look at her. She has black hair with some purple, and she also has tinsel. So she has purple hair, a little bit of purple hair, and purple tinsel. And it is kind of neat. Her hair does need some attention.
Yeah.
It's not terrible,
really bad,
but some of it's a little fuzzy, and then it's not super even on the bottom. A little bit of shedding. So she could maybe use some conditioning. Like this is kind of caught up here in her rubber band.
Her bangs are
not
overly stiff for some, I felt.
Yeah, it's not as bad as some, but you sometimes, I can understand on bangs because sometimes you do need to kind of gel that down. But it is a very cute hairstyle. Her part goes all the way down through the back there. So that's kind of, going to be a permanent thing. She has brown eyes with some shiny, almost like a light lavender eyeshadow. And then a little highlighting down there on the bottom of her eyes and some pink lip. I love her earrings and her necklace. I said I think I even have, they might be gold though. I think I even have a pair of hoops like that. They have that metal look to them, which I love, instead of just looking like a piece of plastic. They actually look like they have the shine of metal. And then she has a little choker necklace on too that kind of matches. It's the same. You can see that. She has on a purple t-shirt, and then she has this little heart, shiny, glittery heart. And I'm thinking, hold on, let's see. Yep, that comes off. So that's a separate piece. So if you
That's
just want to
also really
do,
cute.
yeah, so if you just, if you want to do a little bit different style or just use this top maybe with something else,
Yeah.
you could. I like her shorts a lot. She's got these little purple shorts. They've got that little metal piece here so that it looks like she actually has a snap, which
Yeah.
I always like that. Like when I'm even like on Etsy or something, when I'm looking for jeans, I always think that that just adds a little something. They Velcro in the back. And then I like how the little pockets are hanging out the bottom here. I think that that's a really cute touch. You like that?
Yeah.
And she has on purple boots. Okay. Articulation. She has, articulation in her shoulders, elbows, wrist. They do not have chest articulation. They have movement in the head, and they do sit nicely, I think. They do not have articulation in their ankles. So I think she is pretty cute. And yeah, and she was one of them that we really like when we first saw them. We were like, oh, we love her. And then she was the one that was so hard to get. But yeah, I've always like even in some of the Dream House things, not the Life in the Dream House, but the other one, I always liked Renee. I always thought she was a pretty doll and stuff. So I think that that's all for today. Gosh, we've only got a couple weeks till school, so we're going to try to get some videos made and out to you guys.
Quick question.
Yes.
Out of the 4 dolls, which one's your favorite?
Oh my goodness. That is hard. There is something about Malibu, which would not usually be my first choice, but there's something about her sweet little face that I really like. I think at first I was thinking Renee. If I was going to get one, it would be Renee. So I guess it would probably be between those two. What about you?
Mine's Renee. I also like food. So there's one thing. But she is just so cute. I like her outfit. I like her hairstyle. I just think she's adorable.
Do you mind the tinsel?
No,
Sorry.
No, I don't. I think it's actually really cute. I think it goes with it.
Yeah, I think it's really cute. If we can get it to stay down and not look like it's, I don't know, kind of sticking out and and messy, I think it'll be really cute in her hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably for me it'd be between probably Malibu and Renee. Although I like the other two.
I like
also,
Teresa too.
I think that I know. Brooklyn, I wasn't as crazy about her style, her outfit, but I think she's a cute doll. I just think that they're a cute little set.
Yeah.
And they have pretty faces. Could they hang out like with the other Barbies in Barbie Land?
Maybe. I mean, they might just be a little.
I mean, they got a little.
Yeah, they could do.
Actually, height-wise, I think it's close to the same. They got a big head.
She's a little bit.
Their head's kind of big.
Yeah, but that doesn't really matter.
No, people have big heads, I suppose, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think that they can hang out. I mean, the clothes are and we also had a video on that where we tried some of the regular Barbie clothes on these guys, and they fit. And I'll try to add that down below too. So, I mean, I think they fit in the Barbie universe pretty well, don't you? So we are going to, like I said, try to do some stuff in our doll room, but also get ready for back to school. Oh my gosh.
I'm kind of excited because I want to know what teacher I'm going to have, but also I don't want homework. We
also kind of like our free time and hanging out, and doing what we like to do too. But it'll be fun. It'll be a fun year. So We looked at Renee today. We looked at some of the little cute accessories that she came with, read her bio. We know that she likes skateboarding, food, and art, which are some of our
It would've
favorite
been-
things, not
yeah.
skateboarding. I don't know how to
It would have been fun if she came with like a little skateboard.
cute idea. Maybe we've got some of those little fingerboards. I wonder if
Yeah.
she would fit on those.
Instead,
Maybe.
like maybe
Maybe
of
she
the
will.
snacks.
Maybe she'll come with some skateboards. You know, maybe we don't know
Yeah.
what this is going to hold. You know, probably Mattel's seeing how they do and
Yeah.
seeing what we can kind of add to this line. But as always, and I am saying this with all sincerity, we so appreciate you guys. We love you. We like our subscribers, and you guys always say such kind things when you leave a comment, and it just makes our day. I really appreciate it because we love doing this, and to know that somebody's out there watching, and you know that you guys are enjoying dolls like we do, we really appreciate. Somebody might need a nappy today. Remember that we are on Instagram at Nene_Sophia. We've got some pictures on there if you'd like to visit us there. And remember to like, comment, share, and please push that subscribe button.
Don't forget to ring the bell.
And that way you'll know if we have some new videos, which we're going to, like I said, before school starts, we're going to try to really get some out there. And remember that no matter how many trips you've taken around the sun,
take time to play and have some fun.
And until next time, this has been Nene.
This has been Sophia.
See ya.